Hello, how are you? So today we are going to learn colors. But before that, let's review the colors that we learned last week. So last week we learned about different colors such as red and orange. So red looks like this one, strawberries. How about orange? Orange looks like parrot. Good job. So now we are going to learn a new color. Are you excited? So for today, we are going to learn about yellow. Can you say it? Yeah. Let's try it again. Yeah. No. So what is the color? Yellow. Good job. So what is yellow? So yellow looks like lemon. This is lemon. It also looks like rubber duck. It looks like a rubber duck. Yes, this one is color yellow. How about this one? Is this color yellow? Good job. This is a sunflower. It looks like suns. How about banana? Banana is color yellow. And a corn. Do you think it is color yellow? Yes, this one is color yellow. How about cheese? It is also color yellow. So now I have a question. Do you see anything inside your house that is color yellow? Can you look left and right and look for the things that is color yellow? Okay, so now let's look at this one. Do you think it is color yellow? Hmm, is an apple color yellow? No, this is color red. Apple is color red. How about this one? Is this yellow? No, this is color orange. How about this one? Is this yellow? Good job. This is color yellow. A chick is color yellow.